In this video, we will show you how to change the settings for your cameras with warning lights and sirens. There are available settings on the Power Hub and the Swann Security app. On the Power Hub, right-click on the Live View screen and enter the menu. Then select Alarm and then Deterrent. Check the Light field to enable the spotlight. To enable the siren, check Siren. Then drop down Siren Duration and select the length of time for its duration. Then select Apply to save your changes. Select Schedule to change the default spotlight schedule. To exit, right-click on the mouse. In the Swann Security app, tap the Live View icon. Tap a camera to open its Live View screen. Tap the bulb icon to turn the spotlights on or off. Congratulations! Your new Swann AllSecure650 2K wireless security kit is now fully set up and ready to use. For comprehensive instructions on the various functions available, log on to support.swann.com and then search for Smart Security System Manual. It's state-of-the-art security for everyday people from Swann, the world's #1 name in security made smarter.